What was it like for you to see this exhibit that's upstairs, the Yiddish theater exhibit?
That was very moving for me. It was moving in that I think people my age, I'm 68, so I was born in 1948, I think that people my age who grew up with parents, let's say, who kept their eyes, one eye in the past and one eye in the future is the way I like to think about the way I grew up. One leg in the past, one leg in the future. My parents wanted us to be rooted in the experience of the past because history is important. You can't forget where you come from. But they also wanted us to be very modern, assimilate and become very Americanized in terms of being able to make it and do, to get access, to be able to do what you wanted to do and develop yourself. But that historical root is very important to me. So when I come here and I see the elegance of it and the beauty of it and the impact of it on people, I think to myself, my God, my grandfather helped develop that public theater. He, in that autobiography, is a developer of that public theater. Not PAP, but the Jewish public theater. And I thought, wow, that's emotional. The people brought the culture with them. They kept it alive. It had its own quality. They valued the quality of the language. The language had essence to them. It had nuance, and it also represented a kind of Creole. Yiddish is a kind of Creole. It also keeps the master off your back, very much the way Gullah and Haitian Creole keeps, or the language that slaves created so that the master couldn't understand them, the way it keeps the master off your back. And I think about that all the time. So I see those beautiful pictures of the experiences that my uncles and aunts tried to make alive for us because we didn't know, because Grandpa died so young, we didn't know him. They tried to keep it alive, and then you go up there and you see, oh, there's somebody keeping it alive. Isn't that incredible? So that's the impact it has on me.